TESCO's Brackin facility, a triumph in quality and precision. But is it enough to stay ahead in today's competitive market? TESCO Metering's Brackin facility in Canton, Ohio, has achieved a remarkable feat, earning the prestigious ISO 9001-2015 certification with a perfect audit score. This certification is a testament to TESCO's unwavering dedication to quality, precision, and operational excellence, leaving zero room for nonconformances. The audit, led by DEKRA's lead auditor Bikram Kamboj, was a collaborative effort with TESCO's quality experts and Brackin operations team, including Ed Art, Jacqueline Sundheim, Carson Scacchetti, and others. This rigorous process spanned 2 days, scrutinizing every aspect of the facility's operations. But here's where it gets controversial. Is a perfect audit score truly achievable, or is it a rare occurrence? The team's dedication and craftsmanship undoubtedly played a pivotal role in this success, but it also raises questions about the audit's thoroughness. The journey to this achievement began 13 months ago when TESCO embarked on creating a robust quality management system. This system not only aimed to meet ISO standards but also to solidify TESCO's reputation for quality, process control, and operational discipline. According to Joe Perillo, Vice President of Remote Manufacturing, this certification assures customers that TESCO's products are consistently built to the highest standards. But is this certification enough to guarantee customer satisfaction in a market where expectations are ever evolving? TESCO Brackin's expertise lies in full-service metal fabrication, particularly in precision sheet metal and structural components. Their capabilities include sheet metal fabrication, powder coating, assembly, prototyping, high-volume production, custom enclosures, and machining support. These services cater to electrical, utility, and industrial sectors, ensuring quality and reliability. With ISO 9001:2015 certification, TESCO Brackin is poised to expand its reach. It can now serve not just the electrical and utility sectors but also industrial manufacturing, transportation, infrastructure, and commercial enclosures markets. ISO 9001:2015 is the global benchmark for quality management, emphasizing consistent processes and customer satisfaction. For TESCO Brackin, it's a validation of their commitment to excellence. But will this certification become a differentiator or a baseline expectation in the industry? TESCO Metering has a rich history, dating back to 1904, as a provider of metering solutions to electric utilities worldwide. Their focus on precision, reliability, and quality has been the cornerstone of their success. As TESCO continues to innovate and expand, the question remains, how will they maintain their edge in a rapidly evolving industry? Is this certification a stepping stone or the pinnacle of their quality journey? Share your thoughts below.